Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It will be interesting for both amateurs and professionals of nail aesthetics. Rather subscribe and click on the bell so you don't miss anything. Today is a pedicure. This is not the first time you see these feet. The skin here is dense and moist, large corns on the heels, and on the metatarsal part of the foot. The skin on the foot is yellow. Even after a pedicure performed using any technique, it may seem that all the corns have remained in place. It is must not to completely remove corns, but I would like to try the pedicure with preparations technique on these feet. Before starting the procedure, I treated the feet with an antiseptic and let it dry. Now I treat the feet with soapy water, rinse them thoroughly, and wipe them dry. Now I remove the gel polish with a carbide cutter with blue notch at 20,000 RPM. Now I cut the length of the free edge of the nail with nail nippers. Of course, I don't cut the corners. Then I file the free edge of the nail with a 180 grit file. Slightly soften the corners of the nails. Now with a pusher, I push back the cuticle that is layered on the nail. Now I use the flame cutter. This is a 0.23 diameter cutter with a blue notch. I do the same job with the flame cutter on the other toes, and I show the treatment of the little toe. I perform pedicure with preparations using KART Cosmetics. First, I apply an enzyme peel. Then, following the protocol, I apply the rest of the preparations. I wrap the feet in cling film, and I keep track of the time. It is already noticeable that the effect of the preparations is manifested. The cotton pads turned yellow. I have exactly 20 minutes to treat the toes. Once again, moisten abundantly with soapy water to soften the skin. Now I remove the undernail calluses with a curette. I cut the cuticle as one strip with scissors. Next, I use the skin nippers. Finishing off the left side of the big toe. Now pay attention to the right side of the big toe. With the use the skin nippers, I will now take out the huge undernail callus. Here it is. This is a piece of skin that is accumulated under the nail. And already by tradition, I show the treatment of the little toe. I know you like it. I cut the cuticle with scissors and then use the skin nippers. The exposure time of the preparations is already over. I remove the cling film and wipe the foot thoroughly. Next, I use an unsharpened scalpel. This scalpel is completely unsharpened. With it, I clean off dead skin cells. The cosmetics manufacturer cart says that a 20-minute effect of the preparations on the skin replaces 1 hour of soaking feet in hot water. Looking ahead, I will say that this girl really liked this pedicure. She said that she have an extraordinary sensation of clean feet. I would call it that the skin begins to breathe. I removed a thick layer of dead skin and only living skin cells remained. You can see for yourself that the skin remove off very well, like butter. In this particular case, you need to roll the skin. Here it is necessary to do it. I am using two 180 grit files. First, I will treat one foot, then the other side of the file for the second foot. Here you can see how the skin has softened. It is very flexible, soft and rolls perfectly. This foot is already a little dry while I was filming the video and treated the right foot. Therefore, I moisten it with water and the skin remove as well. Rinse again with soapy water and wipe dry. These are the feet after treatment. A little yellowness remains, but I agree with the client that the feeling of incredible cleanliness is present. Now it remains to coat the nails. I wipe down the nail plate with a nail prep and coat with a thin layer of base coat. I dry it in a UV lamp for 60 seconds. I coat all nails with bright red Attica gel polish number 010. I coat nails in 2 thin layers with intermediate drying of each layer. Now I coat all nails with a top coat with a sticky layer. After drying in the lamp, I remove the sticky layer with alcohol. I used these materials to coat the nails. Botix Mid UV Base Gel, Door No Wipe Steel Top Coat and Red Attica Gel Polish. Let's take another look at the result. I show the feet and toes. I hope this video was useful. Click like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget about the bell. Bye bye everybody and see you soon.